As promised in our previous video, this video will help you remove watermarks from videos you've previously made. We make a lot of content, and we generally post most of our videos with watermarks. We've been in a scenario where a publication had asked us to share our content with them without our watermark. Sadly, we had lost our original file and were unable to remove our watermark from the video.
Hence, we had to come up with a way that would help us remove our watermark from the video using editing softwares. We're going to stick to the basics and show you a couple of free ways to remove the watermark. You will need DaVinci Resolve.
Let's begin. Open DaVinci Resolve and upload the clip that needs watermark removal. Next, click on the Color tab. Then under the window, select the pen tool and draw an outline around the watermark that you want to remove. Now, click on the tracker and move your timeline slider to the start of your clip. Then click the Track Forward button. DaVinci will begin analyzing your clip. Under Effects, search for Object Removal. Then click and drag the effect onto your node.
Click on Scene Analysis and wait for DaVinci to finish processing your video. Once complete, the watermark area will likely turn gray. To correct this, scroll down and click on Build Clean Plate.
Hope this video was helpful. If it was, do hit the like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. It'll help us help you stay updated.